up, man? I'm back. I've been here, but I've been working like a motherfucker. So now, I'm gonna start taking y'all on this new journey, how I be rocking, right? And it's been going crazy. So I got to go to the customer house, whatever they got. It might turn into a tow, or it might be from a tow into it need work, or whatever, blah, blah, blah. But I think I done killed them with this one. I'm already the tow man. And the tow man can fix stuff. Tow man showed them folks what was going on after he towed them to the house and got that check. That man say, woo! Can you fix that? Can you fix that? Yeah, I can fix that. And get what? You know how it be with one thing and one thing. Everything just turn into some more things as long as you do good. But this is what we're going to be doing. We're going to be pulling up wherever they at. Whoever want to deal with Turbo Towing and Transportation. You know, whoever want to deal with your car broke down and start going, call Turbo Towing. It's only one location near you. Whoever want those privileges. And then I'm going to pull up, tow you, or whatever. Tow you to my house, tow you to my shop, whatever. And we gonna provide a service. So with this one here in particular, we finna do a fuel pump. I advised the gentleman to go ahead and get it yesterday. Don't get just the pump, get the whole sending unit. And he did. Then here it is, the next day I got it. I did my checks to make sure it was the fuel pump, and it was. Ah. So we on the way. On the way. All right, YouTube, we got that thing up. Got the F-150 jacked up. So we can do this fuel pump. And I always advise on the fuel pump, never just to do the fuel pump. Try to do the whole sending unit. Yes. Yes. So, we got it jacked up. And of course, safety first. Got it on jack stands. Flow jack with a piece of wood here. That's how I like to do it on the fuel tank. I like to try to put a piece of wood on so I don't just go straight onto the metal tank. And as you can see, we got it in the middle of the tank. And we're about to take down. You have a 13mm bolt here. Clear up. There you go, baby. Got one 13mm bolt there and one 13mm bolt there. And there you go. So once we get both of those off, I've actually seen where people are taking off the drive shaft. I don't know why. We can get to those bolts. This is what we do. Fortunate for us. Yeah, fortunate we don't have a cover. A metal cover that's down here that we will have to replace. Or have to remove to get to the tank. So once we undo those two straps, we just undo it, turn it to the side, pull it out on both of them so they'll be out the way. You don't want to bend those at all. And we'll start making our disconnects, which is on top of the tank. Make sure you undo your hose. I like to just undo the one. Come in between the tire here. And I just like to undo this one here and push the hose off. And on the vent. All right. I smell something burning. Oh, I see something burning. Oh, I see smoke. But anyway, all right, so we have our straps removed. As I told you, two 13mm bolts. Big shout out to my Milwaukee tools too. They're the bomb. And now we just have it sitting on the floor jack. Oh. on the floor jack. So once I start to relieve this pressure, turning this floor jack, let that killer bar in it. What you barking at? Anyway, we back. It's gonna start to release. Alright, so it'll have a little glue. If it's original, it'll have a little glue in between there, like a little pad, and that'll kind of stop you from coming down a little bit. And then just let him down, and you're gonna just come on down. If you lucky, you can get this down. Now the pump is on this side. You gotta get that filler neck off of that here, or here like I showed you. We taking ours off from here. But if you lucky, you can get in the top of your fuel tank by just dropping it down some without all the way removing it. Cause you can get the pump out the top, trust me, without dropping the whole tank. All right, as you can see, we disconnected on both lines. We got both lines just pushed off of there. That's all you need. Just push them off. It's still supported on the floor jack. Let the floor jack down. Let it down. That's what you're trying to get to, right there on the top, that fuel pump. So I got a can right here, and that hose look kind of kinked up. You see that? I don't know how much gas in here. Let's try to keep it balanced up on the floor, Jay. Hold on. I need to get that over a little bit, you see? But it's coming down so good, I don't have nothing to rest it on, so I'm finna rest it on me. I'm finna pick up on it and pull the jack back. Alright, so you will need a set of these fuel release lines, tools right here. And what you gonna do is find the one that fits over that metal line. See, it look like Pac-Man? So it gotta go over the metal line this way. So let's see what we got. So it's a small side, and that's the side that actually goes up in it. One second. So it goes over like this. And then that'll slide and put pressure on the inside, and it's gonna open it, release the clips. And just like that, it'll slide off. So, same thing for the other side, just take it off, push this on top, push it in, and it's gonna come off like that. All right, 3 minutes later, we have the old fuel pump out, and we'll just lay it aside there while we come get the new one. Customer bought his own parts. Bought his own parts. Let's see what we got. Ching, ching. No, this was about 400 bucks. This is how I like it. Look at that. Power love. Okay. Always upon removal and before you install new fuel pumps, devices, or whatever, always make sure your plugs and everything match up correctly. Because you can get all the way to putting something together and then your plugs don't even match. So now, we'll take this over here. See, they got you keep your float all wrapped up. Yeah, he's spending good dollars on this. He's spending good dollars on this one. This one. All right, we got that out. And we'll make our way over here to the tank that's awaiting us. And of course, we blow it off around it, at least the best we could. And now we'll just finagle this thing on in there.
.97% of Americans still don't know that if you make less
normally if you get that
per year,
sending unit down in there first, you'll be good to go.
$1,400 a month in benefits. Biden just signed the $700 billion stimulus
And
package.
line up your hose.
Millions of people can get this,
You good
but are
to go.
missing out because they don't even know they are eligible.
All right. Less than an hour, we back in. Got everything strapped back up. Nice how it was. I'm hooking, actually I've hooked them up already. My the filler neck line, just got to put back over the hose clamp, which I'm doing now. And this vent to put both hose clamps on. And just tighten those up. And we're gonna give this guy a start. Safety first.
The Dyson Corral Styler delivers style versatility, flexing place protection. Intelligent heat control responds to the thickness, texture, and length of
All right, boys and girls. Let's see what we got other than black hands. Of course, you turn it on 1 or 2 times. Let it prime up the system. Don't just crank it. Let it prime up a couple times. And we got a running truck. Hey man, I would like to thank all you guys, man. I hope you guys continue to like my videos, tell your friends to subscribe. You know, hey, I just be happy that hopefully I can help somebody, show somebody how to do something. As many DMs and stuff as I get on Instagram as well, like everybody just come, you know, just very happy, pleased with my work. But I just hope I can help somebody. I always give back the old parts, so we don't have no discrepancy. Yeah, man, this is fairly easy. Let's turn off his check engine light because that came on while he was driving. From the hugger chugga 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 when the fuel pump went out at the light. So, of course, you just put the vehicle to the on position, And I'm gonna probably have to redo it since I broke it up by cutting it off. But it might still work. Yep, from the fuel, got a low. So just erase it, erase it. And we good to go. Let this gentleman truck warm up and deliver it back to him. Remember guys, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.